What if the secret to a breathtaking cherry tree isn't more fertilizer or pruning, but choosing the right companion plants? Cherry trees are stunning, but their shallow roots and shifting shade can make underplanting tricky. The right companions don't just fill space, they add color, texture, and seasonal interest while supporting soil health and attracting pollinators. Today, let's explore 12 plants Martha Stewart recommends for creating a beautiful, functional cherry tree garden. Daffodils bring early color and cheer to gardens everywhere, announcing the arrival of spring with their vibrant yellow blooms. As winter fades and the days begin to lengthen, these cheerful flowers are often the first to burst through the soil, transforming dull, dormant beds into lively displays of color. Their sunny faces seem to smile up at the sky, lifting spirits and signaling that warmer days are just around the corner. Daffodils bloom before the cherry canopy fills in, taking advantage of the early spring sunlight that filters through bare branches. This timing is no accident. Daffodils have evolved to flower before trees leaf out, ensuring they get all the light they need to grow strong and healthy. Their early arrival means they often share the stage with the delicate pink buds of cherry trees, creating a magical contrast in the garden. Their yellow blossoms contrast beautifully with the soft pink and white cherry buds, creating a stunning visual display that captures the essence of spring. The interplay of colors, bright yellow against gentle pastels, draws the eye and makes for unforgettable garden moments. This combination is a favorite among gardeners and photographers alike, as it perfectly encapsulates the fleeting beauty of early spring. By the time the cherry tree's leaves unfurl and cast their shade, the daffodils have already put on their show. Their blooms begin to fade, but this is a natural part of their life cycle. As the flowers wither, the plants focus their energy on recharging the bulbs underground, storing nutrients for next year's spectacular display. This quiet transition is a reminder of the cycles of nature and the importance of patience in gardening. It's essential to let daffodil foliage die back naturally. Though the yellowing leaves may look untidy, they are hard at work, photosynthesizing and sending vital energy back to the bulbs. Cutting the leaves too soon can weaken the plants and reduce next year's blooms. Allow the foliage to wither and disappear on its own, and you'll be rewarded with healthier, more vigorous daffodils season after season. When planting daffodils, use a narrow trowel and plant bulbs in small groups or clusters. This not only creates a more natural eye-catching effect but also helps avoid disturbing the roots of nearby plants. Daffodils thrive when planted in well-drained soil, about 3 times as deep as the bulb is tall. Choose a sunny or lightly shaded spot, and you'll find that daffodils are remarkably easy to grow. One of the best things about daffodils is their resilience. They are naturally resistant to deer and rodents thanks to compounds in their bulbs and leaves that make them unappealing to hungry animals. This means you can plant daffodils with confidence, knowing they'll remain undisturbed and continue to brighten your garden year after year with minimal effort. Over time, daffodils will multiply and spread, forming larger and more impressive clumps each spring. This naturalizing habit makes them a fantastic investment for any garden. With just a little care, a few bulbs can turn into a sweeping sea of yellow, bringing joy to you and pollinators alike. For an even longer season of color, mix different daffodil varieties with varying bloom times and colors. From classic yellow trumpets to white, orange, and even pink-tinged blooms, there's a daffodil for every taste. Planting a diverse selection ensures that your garden will be awash with color from early to late spring, delighting visitors and providing continuous interest. Daffodils are a classic, resilient choice to kick off your garden's spring show. Their cheerful blooms, easy care, and ability to return year after year make them a favorite among gardeners of all skill levels. Whether planted in borders, under trees, or scattered through a lawn, daffodils are sure to bring a burst of happiness and a promise of renewal each spring. Tulips are one of the most iconic symbols of spring, and when planted beneath the delicate canopy of cherry trees, they create a breathtaking spectacle that truly celebrates the season. The combination of tulips and cherry blossoms offers a dramatic statement in any garden, transforming ordinary spaces into vibrant works of art. With tulips, you have the freedom to experiment with endless color combinations, making each garden unique and personal. For a serene and harmonious look, consider choosing soft pinks and whites. These gentle hues blend beautifully with the pale pink cherry blossoms overhead, creating a calming, romantic atmosphere that feels almost magical. Pastel tulips can evoke a sense of tranquility and elegance, perfect for peaceful garden retreats or quiet corners where you want to relax and unwind. If you prefer a more striking effect, opt for bold reds and deep purples. These vibrant colors stand out dramatically against the soft cherry blossoms, adding energy and excitement to your spring garden. The contrast between the tulips and the cherry trees draws the eye and creates a dynamic, lively display that's sure to impress visitors and passers-by alike. When planting tulip bulbs, it's important to arrange them in clusters rather than single rows. Grouping bulbs together creates a fuller, more natural look. Be sure to plant them a safe distance from the tree trunk to protect the cherry's shallow roots. This not only safeguards the tree but also gives the tulips enough space to thrive and show off their best blooms. As spring unfolds, tulips and cherry blossoms bloom in harmony, weaving a layered tapestry of color and texture. The interplay between the upright tulip stems and the cascading cherry petals creates a sense of depth and movement, making your garden feel lush and alive. This combination is a true celebration of spring's renewal and beauty. To keep your garden looking tidy after the tulips have finished blooming, pair them with low-growing ground covers. These plants help hide the fading tulip foliage, maintaining a fresh and attractive appearance throughout the season. Ground covers also add another layer of interest and can help retain soil moisture for healthier plants. For the most vibrant and consistent tulip displays year after year, it's a good idea to refresh your bulbs every few years. Dig up and replant new bulbs to ensure strong, healthy blooms and to prevent overcrowding, which can reduce flowering over time. While growing tulips beneath cherry trees requires a bit of planning and care, the reward is a garden bursting with color and life each spring. The vibrant hues of tulips set against the delicate cherry blossoms create a scene that's truly worth the effort, a living masterpiece that captures the very essence of spring. Snowdrops are among the earliest bloomers, creating a delicate white carpet beneath cherry trees. They thrive in dappled shade and multiply over time, enhancing the woodland effect. Plant them in the green for best results, tucking them gently between roots. As snowdrops fade, they make way for later bulbs and perennials. Their understated beauty sets the stage for cherry blossoms. For a naturalistic look, snowdrops are a must. Creeping thyme is a fragrant, low-growing ground cover perfect for the sunnier edges of your cherry tree. It suppresses weeds, conserves moisture, and attracts pollinators with its tiny flowers. Plant thyme just beyond the densest shade, where it gets afternoon sun. Once established, it's drought-tolerant and low-maintenance. Trim lightly after flowering for fresh growth. Its evergreen foliage and soft texture contrast beautifully with bulbs and perennials. Creeping thyme ties your planting together and is deer-resistant. Sweet woodruff, with its delicate whorls of emerald green leaves and clusters of tiny star-shaped white flowers, is a true gem for shady gardens. Nestled beneath the dappled canopy of cherry trees, it forms a lush, velvety carpet that brings a sense of tranquility and softness to spaces where sunlight is filtered and gentle. This enchanting ground cover not only brightens the dim corners of your garden, but also creates a serene, woodland atmosphere that invites you to pause and appreciate nature's subtle beauty. Sweet woodruff is the perfect solution for those tricky, shadier spots where grass often struggles to survive. Its ability to thrive in low light and poor soil makes it an excellent choice for under trees, along north-facing walls, or in any area where other plants might falter. Over time, it weaves itself into a dense living tapestry, filling gaps and softening hard edges, transforming bare patches into vibrant green havens. One of sweet woodruff's most delightful qualities is its fragrance. When the leaves are crushed or dried, they release a sweet hay-like scent with hints of vanilla and fresh-cut grass. This aroma is cherished in traditional herbal sachets, potpourri, and even in flavoring springtime beverages like May wine. Harvesting sweet woodruff is a sensory pleasure, and dried bunches can be used to scent linens or add a touch of rustic charm to your home. In moist, rich soil, sweet woodruff can spread quickly, forming dense mats that suppress weeds and reduce the need for mulching. While its vigorous growth is a boon for covering ground, it's wise to keep an eye on its boundaries, especially in gardens with ample moisture. Fortunately, sweet woodruff's shallow root system makes it easy to manage. If it begins to wander too far, you can simply lift and relocate sections without disturbing the roots of nearby trees or shrubs. This makes it a friendly companion for established plantings and a low-maintenance choice for busy gardeners. For a truly enchanting effect, pair sweet woodruff with spring bulbs like daffodils and tulips, or with shade-loving ferns. The contrast of textures and colors creates a layered woodland look that evolves beautifully through the seasons. Hostas, with their bold foliage, make excellent partners, adding depth and interest to your shade garden. Together, these plants evoke the gentle beauty of a natural forest floor, inviting pollinators and creating a peaceful retreat. To keep sweet woodruff looking its best, be ready to trim back the edges if it starts to wander beyond its intended space. Regular maintenance is simple, just a quick snip here and there, and the trimmings can be composted or dried for their lovely scent. With a little care, sweet woodruff will reward you with years of soft, fragrant beauty in the shade. Hostas are shade-loving perennials with lush, sculptural leaves in a range of colors and patterns. They thrive beneath cherry trees, shading the soil and hiding fading bulb leaves. Provide moisture during their first season and mulch lightly. Combine with bulbs and ferns for a rich, layered effect. Watch for slugs, especially in damp climates. Once established, hostas need little care and return year after year. Their bold foliage brings structure and calm to your cherry tree garden. Bleeding Heart adds enchantment with its arching stems and heart-shaped flowers, thriving in dappled shade. It blooms in spring alongside cherry blossoms, adding soft pink or white to your palette. Prefers rich, moist soil and a cool root zone. After blooming, foliage may yellow and retreat. Fill gaps with later perennials. Pairs beautifully with hostas and ferns for a romantic woodland effect. Its unique form and gentle colors make it a standout in any shade garden. Astilbe brings vertical interest and feathery texture to shaded spots beneath cherry trees. Its plume-like flowers come in pink, red, white, and lavender, rising above fern-like foliage. Astilbe thrives in moist, well-drained soil and appreciates afternoon shade. Plant several varieties for a succession of blooms from late spring to early summer. Flowers attract pollinators and dried plumes add winter interest. Astilbe's soft plumes add movement and grace to your garden's understory. Chives offer beauty and utility with slender leaves and purple flower heads. Plant where the cherry canopy is thinner or at the outer drip line for more sun. Chives are easy to grow, low maintenance, and can be harvested for culinary use. Their flowers attract pollinators and are edible. Divide clumps every few years to keep them healthy. Chives bring color, flavor, and order to your cherry tree planting. Mint's scent and flavor are wonderful, but it spreads aggressively if not contained. Grow mint in a pot set on or slightly sunk into the soil to keep roots in check. Mint thrives in partial shade and moist soil. Water regularly and trim for bushiness. Choose from many varieties and move the pot as needed. Enjoy fresh mint for tea or desserts, but always keep it contained. Lemon balm brings a refreshing citrus scent and attracts pollinators but can spread quickly. Grow in a container or trim regularly to keep it in bounds. Thrives in partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. Harvest for teas or simply enjoy its aroma as you pass by. Its bright leaves contrast nicely with hostas and ferns. Lemon balm is easy to grow, just give it boundaries for best results. Japanese forest grass adds graceful movement and refined texture beneath your cherry tree. Its arching leaves come in green, gold, or variegated patterns, thriving in partial to full shade. Slow-growing but long-lived, it forms tidy clumps that cascade over rocks or edging. Deer-resistant and low-maintenance, it pairs beautifully with hostas and ferns. In autumn, its foliage glows golden. Just cut back old leaves in late winter for fresh spring growth.